Hello everyone, today I'm sharing with you a topic on how to conditional format with data bar. So it's really something like this, which I find pretty handy when you want to have more visual effects for showing your data, and it also works well in the dashboard kind of reports. So this is actually not that hard, but I'm also going to show you how to customize how the bar as you wish. So let's say this is the original data set that we have, and then we want to conditional format this for its data bar. So this step itself is pretty straightforward. Like, go to conditional format and data bar, and let's say this is a kind of data bar you want, but then the more advanced requirement for this is that you can see here it's automatically formatted with like a 115% being the highest, and it's the full bar, and the 70 being like the 74% being like the lowest. What if I want my range to be between 50% to 120%? So if that's the criteria that you want, then you need to actually specify that in your conditional format. So this is when you go to manage rules, and then you see this is the rule that we are applying, and then you go to edit rule. So this is where we have for the data bar, and this is where we define the range. So you can define by percent or percentile. I'm going to define by number, which is 0.5 being the minimum, and 1.2 being the max. And let's say that's the only thing I want to change, and then I go OK, apply. You can see automatically that the bar changes as you wish, and you can see even for 115, the highest one, there's still some gaps left for the full bar to be 120%. So this is how you can do that with this type of data bar. And then let's say we want to do another one with the base salary, which is the conditional format with a different color. So again, like if you just go like that, it's gonna Excel's gonna automatically define a criteria for you. But then if you wanna have more customization, you would need to go to manage rule, again select it, and then edit rule. And then here you see again, you have the minimum, midpoint, and max to define. The automatic way is to define with the lowest value, the 50th percentile, and the highest value. And then let's say, for example, I want to define by salary structure, and I do have a specific salary structure in mind, which in my case, let's say is 100,000, 100, no, actually let's say 200,000 and 300,000. So this is the specific type of format that I want to see. And then now let's go OK, and then you will see that the color is going to change accordingly as well. So then OK, apply, and then OK. So this is how it's gonna look. And then if you want it to be more, the color to be more like divided, you can choose some other type of, or you know what, if you want color to be more divided, this is how you can change your color accordingly. Apply, okay. And here we go. Okay, so this is a pretty quick trick that I want to share with you about conditional format, and I hope that is helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like it. If you have any question, please leave me a comment, and I will talk to you very soon.